Assalamu alaikum class. Today we are going to discuss about scientific laboratories. Before discussing our lecture, I will show you something. So, can you identify this place? Yes, this is your kitchen. This is anyone's kitchen. So, what we do in the kitchen? Yes, we do some kind of cooking. Why not we do cooking in your drawing room or in your lounge or in your bedroom? Yes, because that is not the place for doing this stuff. So, what you cook, how you cook. Yes, you need some tools, you need some instructions, you need proper procedures to perform something or to follow so you can make any kind of dish. That's why you have a cookbooks. So, we need tools. What kind of tools? These are some of the tools you use for making some dishes and doing some work in your kitchen. So kitchen is a proper place which with the proper tools that help you to cook your food. So what happens if your car broke down? Yes, then you will use kitchen tools to repair your car. Yes, it's no, you cannot use kitchen tool to repair your car. For that you need some tools like this. These are the tools which are used for repairing of the car. So where you get your car? Yes, we send our car to a garage. Your house garage? No, it's a mechanic garage, special place where car or automobiles repair. So the mechanic use these tools and go through your car and find out, identify the problem and do some procedure to correct that problem, right? So these are some of the two places where some specific thing have been done with their specific tools. So can you name some other places where you have the specific place for the specific thing? Yes, we can say that music. So where this music make? Is this make in your home? Did you hear something from your neighbor? No. Music actually produce or mix or create in a studio. Every singer, every musician have a studio or sit in the studio to record in under some circumstances, follow some procedure and have their own specific tools to perform all the work. So we can say that we need a proper place that provide a proper opportunity to work, to explore, to experiment and to find out results to make something new. So kitchen is a proper place which provide you an opportunity to work and to explore different dishes, different taste by experimenting with different ingredients and to find out the outcome of that and you make something new. So similarly, when we come to the science, so if you can see, these are the places which always have a proper place which provide you the proper opportunity to work, explore and experiment and then you find out some result and that makes something new. But remember, you have to do this under controlled environment. What do you mean by under controlled environment? If a musician is making a music and if the surrounding is not controlled, then the music recording during the music recording there will be the sound of the horn, sound of door crackings, anything. So musician need to be a secure environment, need secure environment. Similarly in kitchen you cannot have an AC or you cannot have a fan on while you are cooking. Why? Because this will not properly provide heat from the stove to the utensil. So there must be some controlled environment which provide you a specific result at precise result. So what we have done, can you guess which place is this? Yeah, it's look like some instruments are placed over here. You can see a microscope, a test tube. These, what are these? These are the scientific tools and this is a scientific lab. So you can think of it like, and these are the people who are using different tools, a beaker, a wire gauze, test tubes and experimenting something. They are finding out what is in this liquid and what are they are learning. They are just exploring things. So science use some proper method to perform, to jump onto any conclusion. So in scientific laboratories, what are these? Scientific laboratories are proper places. What are they? They are proper places that provide an opportunity to work, to explore, to experiment, to find out result and make something new, but under control environment. Yes, these are the labs, these are the places which provide you a proper method, proper procedure you have to follow. What are the proper procedure for the scientific method? You have to observe. There is an observation, then there are questions, then there are hypotheses, then came the experiment. You do different experiment and these experiments are carried out in these labs. Basically science has so many labs, but at this level you are only familiar with a scientific lab which we have in the school as well, that is biology lab, physics lab and chemistry lab. So there are three divisions of the science. Biology is a lab where you will going to find out all the science about the life. Physics is a lab where all the physical aspect of the life, the work, energy, the force will you will study. And in chemistry, all about the chemical. You will do see some chemical. You will going to recognize some chemicals by using different experiment, by using different exploring different things. And so we have read that science follow a proper procedure which called scientific method. Do some observation, ask some question, do some hypothesis, then perform some experiment. Now the experiment is performed where? Yes, in the science lab. Using these different tools, people do different. What people do? Yes, people do an experiment. They do some experiment. Why they doing the experiment? They are doing the experiment using these tools for research purpose and also to explore the science. Yes, to explore the science, to make understand what is science is all about. And these environments and these tools and these places help you to work and to find out different new species or new chemicals or new points of life. Many of the people have done many work on it, and they give you some kind of result after doing all these experiment. So science labs help you to explore, to provide you an opportunity on a proper place under control environment using different tools, so you can explore science and to find out the new thing in the world. So this is science. Thank you.